Hi, it's Heather. Good morning, and welcome to this short and sweet morning yoga workout. Let's get to it. Let's begin in a tabletop position. So come in hands and knees, shoulders over wrists, hips over knees. And inhale, just to warm up, let's start with some cat-cows today. So inhale, drop the belly. And exhale, round through the back. Inhale, drop the belly. Again, open up through the chest. And exhale, round. Pull those abs up towards the ceiling. Once more, drop the stomach. Inhale. And exhale, round the back. One more. Inhale. Open the chest. And exhale, round. Come to a neutral tabletop, and let's take the right knee up in the air. Point the toes, and just start to do little kicks with that knee up in the air. Now straighten through that leg, and same thing, kick it up in the air. Curl the left toes under and lift up the left knee. Come to a three-legged dog. Nice and strong, shoulders both face forward. Inhale and exhale. Squeeze this knee in and tap it to the right elbow. Take it back up. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, knee to left elbow. Inhale, come back up. Three-legged. Exhale, squeeze the knee into the chest, round through the back, and step it through. Inhale, high lunge. Lift it up, open up through the arms, cactus arms, and then take both arms forward here in this little 90-degree angle, and lower the left arm underneath the right. Backs of the palms, or backs of the hands touch, lift up those elbows, look up. Bend deeply through the front knee. Great release. Lower it down, plant both palms, and then step it back to plank. Lower down, one arm at a time, down to forearms, forearm plank. And then take it back up, one at a time, back to normal plank. So from here, chaturanga your version. If you're with me, you can drop the knees, uncurl the toes, come down, inhale to cobra, and exhale, fold it down. Curl the back toes under, lift up the hips, lift up the knees, and come to downward facing dog. Just walk it out a little bit. And then drop the knees. Come to reset, neutral tabletop, and take the left knee up this time. Start with those little kicks. Up in the air, so lifting the knee. And then straighten through that left leg, same thing. Kick it up in the air. Curl those right toes under this time. Lift up that knee. Come to three-legged dog. Inhale and exhale. Knee to left elbow. Inhale, three-legged. And exhale, knee to right elbow. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, squeeze that knee in. Round, really lift it up. And then step it right in between the hands. Inhale, both arms come up, lift it up to high lunge, open up the arms nice and wide, cactus arms, and take them both forward. This time the right arm comes underneath the left, backs of the hands touch, and squeeze, lift up those elbows just a little bit, bend a little more deeply through the front knee, straighten the back leg, and then release. Nice. Plant both palms. Come back to plank. And hold for 3, 2, 1. Lower down to forearm plank for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop the hips. Great job. Uncurl the toes. Come to bring your shoulders directly over your elbows and come to Sphinx. You deserve it. I think my voice just cracked there. So in the Sphinx, make it a little active. So use your hands to pull the ground towards you as you open up the chest forward. And great job. Take it back up to seated. That is all for today. If you'd like to take a lovely short shavasana, make sure to do that. And if you like this class, make sure to give it a like. And if you want to see more of these, then make sure to let me know below, as well as subscribe to the channel. I upload new free yoga classes here every week. So if you like this, make sure to do that. Have a great one. I'll see you next time, and namaste.